Now, what are some of the symptoms that should never be ignored and are suggestive of a more advanced disease? If you are losing weight without trying, and again, let me repeat that. If you are losing weight without trying, you should become very, very concerned and you should seek the advice of your doctor. Vomiting. If you vomit and it has blood in it, that is a cause for concern and you must see your doctor. Dark stools. Now, we are a health talk, and so it is very important to pay attention to what we put into our body and what comes out of our body. And whilst this might sound funny, when you go to the bathroom to urinate, you should be looking at the quality of your urine. When you go to the bathroom and you have a bowel movement, you should be looking at that stool. Now, stool should not look black. And the reason we get concerned about black stool is when you lose blood in the digestive tract, depending on where you're losing the blood, but especially if you're losing blood in what we call the upper intestinal tract. By the time that the blood, which is red when it first releases, by the time it passes through the intestine, it is going to change color and will become very black. So if you notice that your stools are darker than usual, please bring that information to the attention of your doctor. Severe fatigue. Why? Because you could be anemic. You're losing blood. So if you check your blood count and you have a low blood count, your doctor will immediately become concerned that there is something causing you to lose blood and they need to figure that out. So if your blood count is low, you get tired very easily, so you become fatigued. A persistent general abdominal pain. That's not just, with food you're feeling a discomfort, but in general you're always having some degree of abdominal discomfort. So to summarize again, if you're losing weight and you're not planning on doing that, you need to see your doctor. If you vomit blood, you need to see your doctor. If you have black stools, you need to see your doctor. If you have fatigue or a persistent abdominal pain, please find your doctor, because these are very concerning. As with all cancers, early detection is important. And regrettably, in Guyana and in most of the Caribbean, we are diagnosing stomach cancers too late.